Hey guys, what's up? That's my influencer head adjusting. It's got a haircut. I am at IKEA for the first time. I've never been here before. I've heard about the Swedish pancakes, and this makes my head look giant. How do I do it? I heard about the Swedish pancakes, tried them first, and I love them. I think I might come just for Swedish pancakes. The chicken strips, delicious. I shouldn't have had ice cream before I got here, though. I shouldn't have eaten before I got here. I was full even when I arrived, but I was like, but I've been wanting to try it. Try it in here. It is exciting. I'm a little, fish out of water, but feeling good. Usually, or in the past, I've been awkward at new places, but hey, I'm taking myself out on an IKEA date today, so it will be okay. I've never been here, and I pass it all the time. When I go to LA, I just got my hair cut, as you can see. Eyebrow matches the haircut. I like it. Makes me feel edgy. That's like a 12-year-old, which is often. So, I'm looking around. It's pretty cool. It reminds me of the Ohana floor at the top of the Salesforce building. I liked that floor. That floor was fancy. That floor you didn't have to pay at all, though. You just have to be brought up by someone who works at Salesforce at the headquarters in San Francisco. And this place is super cute too, in a similar way, where it's all like decorated nice, has little plants. These ones, I don't think, no, they're fake plants. But the Ohana floor was real plants. So this was cool though, because it's very colorful and aesthetic. I bet they sell all these lamps. I don't know. Probably. Very cute. Yeah, I'll show you. So these are the lamps. Very cute. I like all the color things. Look at those. So you see that tree? It just reminded me of like the aesthetic nature when I went to the top of the Salesforce building. I enjoyed the aspect of it because it's like cafeteria style, and Salesforce also has like little spots up there and in their buildings of just little spots for beverages and food, and it's really cool. So this is exciting. First IKEA visit. I came here first even though I was full. Probably, just to get my bearings, just to check it out. I wonder though if they have to-go containers, because I definitely ordered food, too much food, like normal. Next time I'll just get Swedish meatballs. They're very good. And get the gravy. It's good. I'm going to walk through IKEA now after I go through the guilt of either throwing the food away or getting a container to walk around with it. So after that, I'm gonna try to walk around and maybe let's film a little. Crazy. I know most people have been in IKEA. I have friends who used to film this show illegally, like not with permission, in this IKEA. So that's pretty funny. Look around, see what's up. I was gonna sit near the window, but it got too sunny because the sun came out of the clouds, and so I sat next to a different glass viewpoint. Watch people come in, be all cute on the elevator with their love. I would like to come to IKEA for a date night. Do you guys do that? I've realized that my phone case is not great for videos like this. I might have to change. See this? It's a little flappy for phones. Okay. What is in here? Alright, it's themed. Okay, I get it. Let's see. $3. That's all. It's good. Whoa. People ever want an aesthetic place, buy everything from IKEA. Except, I've heard most things aren't very well made. Just not the greatest stuff. $3. I was tricked. 7. Create less. What is hit this place? I did not know they had just so many things like this for $10. It's soft. Oh my gosh. What is life? I know it's the baby section, but still. Oh my god, what is this? $30. Okay, you can kind of sit him up and sit on him, like against the wall. Okay, $12.99. I don't need it. Okay, getting harassed by children, like usual. But this, okay, I already have a shark. This is very soft. It is a little bit bigger than my shark, and I don't need it, but I like it. Wow, more of them. That child just putting the things back. Oh my god, there's so many. Oh my god. And they're not that expensive. What a fun place. What if you came for like a birthday party? Or like a birthday gift and you just get to get a certain amount of things for like $100? That'd be fun. More sharks. Oh, it's a whale. You can hide things in his mouth for $30. Okay, I have to be honest. I already have an octopus, but he's like, this is how big he is. He's like 3 times bigger than that one. Maybe I have a problem. Huh. So cute. I wonder if you can hook up water to it. I've seen the little kid things where you can hook up water to the little sink. Oh, so cute. I love tiny miniature things. This is so nice. Wow. That's nice. You have big bad eyesight or little fingers. Wow. This is cool. Who would have thought? Ooh, more miniature cubbies. Ooh. Maybe I need something like that, but in grown-up size, kind of. Just a little bigger than kid size. Wow. That's adorable. I've never been to an IKEA before, so this is all new to me. There's no children are trying to put away everything around me. Excuse me. What a short little bed. That's cute. Problem, if I ever don't have kids, then I won't be able to decorate with fun stuff like this. Can I just decorate my own house like this? Oh my god. Everything's just set up. It's so cute. I almost feel like, oh, whose little house is this? Am I allowed to go in? I mostly just want to touch the keyboard. Why would they do that? Wow. That's so cute. I love mini chairs. Wow, if you have money, the world is your oyster. I know that, like, IKEA stuff is not always well built because it's kind of supposed to be light, even though particle board, what's the deal? Particle board is super heavy. What is this? This for a bird? Light green. Valet stand with plenty of space for both clothes and towels. Hardly. 1 towel. 2 towels. Oh my god, a little rack. It's so cute. Oh no. This one's cute, but this one's pretty. Well, that's nice. That's really cool. I love the idea of these because you can put it in the entryway and or like your mud room and put your shoes and your coats because I don't like hanging things up, so I'd rather just be able to put it on a hook. I don't know, hanging up things every day sounds exhausting. Ah. Everything's so cute. This is a cute area. Oh yeah. Wow. Hopefully I don't get lost. Was told not to get lost in here. Find your way back. Oh, closets. Wow. This is cool. You could put that anywhere. Man, I need more places to store things. Ugh. That's my problem. Figuring out how to organize stuff is so difficult. That's cool. My cat would climb that. He's a little turd, that cat. Can you imagine trying to film a show in here without permission? Man, I really gotta ask my friend Corey about that. Lights. This is cool. This would prevent my cat from climbing things, but that one little pole, there's probably two, but that's not enough room. Ooh, shoes.
I don't know when it could take. It could take probably April, maybe, or middle of May.
This is nice. Walk-in closet concept. Oh, pants. Wow. Cute. What the? Why is there glass on the inside here? Did people mess with it? Do they just not want people to mess with the stuff? Why'd they put glass on it? That's just a display. Wow. Wow. I would love a beanbag chair. That one does not look comfortable though. Little shelves. I tried doing things like this. I think people steal this. They must be stealing the caps. Wow. So aesthetic. I feel like anything that'd be useful to me would not be aesthetic. I do want a little rack. Hat rack. Clothing rack. What a cute shower. Oh my god. What if someone used that? Cringe. Wow. Just imagine everything is for sale. Wow, look at the lighting. That's nice soft lighting. You won't feel bad about yourself in this lighting. Maybe I will. Okay. Oh, more things to buy. I don't love those. Wow, even this thing is for sale. Cute though. Storage. That's very nice. And there's seating on this side. That's pretty good. $400. I always think about, oh, can I build it myself? I like hanging things. But everything in my house is not safe now. With my kitten. He's knocking everything down possible. Cute door. Am I lost or did I find a new room that sounds nice? I like this room. This is my favorite wall paint color. And plants and nature, nice wood. I literally built something like that. Literally with wood and hooks and a screwdriver, drill. Oh my gosh. If I still watered my plants, yes. I used to have this silly way of having a chain in my bedroom to hang plants, and now I barely water anything. Oh, I love a bookshelf like that. I made some like that too in my kitchen, but now my cat goes up and knocks everything down. This bed frame's cute. A little low. I love both of these rooms. I've never thought about putting my bed in the center, but this is nice because it has the walls. That's cool. Is this a trundle? No, doesn't. I guess no. This is nice. If you lived in like a studio, it's so aesthetic in here. I think these two rooms are my favorite. It's like your craft, chill room. Look inside. Ooh, this is nice. This is really nice. Ugh, I need more drawers. There's nowhere to put anything in my house. That's for shoes. Yes. I know it looks aesthetic on the outside, but it feels like mean to hide your shoes like this, cluttered inside. So cute. Super cute. Ah, this little table. This is adorable. I know I wear a lot of black and I look edgy, but I like cute things like this. I can imagine like a guest room to look like this. Just very opposite to my aesthetic. Just to have a little difference. Do they sell these window panels or are this just for display? That's a nice deep drawer for shirts. What? 4 drawer, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's only $200. Nice. But it is made of things that don't last forever. Even a lamp. Wow. I never thought to put a lamp like that in my bedroom. Just weird. Like definitely lamps like that. Maybe not this one. I wonder if I'm actually gonna buy something. This is my favorite so far. Next to the pink room together. I can imagine how people get lost. Did I see that room? Yeah, I walked right past the couch. Den. Didn't even look at the couch. Walked right past it. Wow. So interesting. It's just like a film set with the walls not going any farther to the ceiling. You just build it out. LOL. Black walls. Did I even notice before? That's cute. Maximalist picture frames. Oh, curtains. I've had curtains before. Not sure how well they do. Oh, right. We did look here, but from a news perspective, it looks different. Maybe I am lost now. Back the way. Ooh. I do not have much jewelry for that type of thing. Back the way we came. I could never do a little death table with something you open because things would just get on top and just keep being on top, so then you can't open it. Okay, that side you don't open, and it's a drawer. People and plant. What does that mean? It's cute in here. I love wood. Wood's cute. And tiny tables. I think they're cute. I love how people find different ways to store things like these ottomans. Like all their blankets. Otherwise they fill up so much room. A flimsy. Back the way we came. Oh, so cute. Like, gender is a construct, but this is adorable. Anyone should have a happy room like this. I think we should let everyone enjoy pink this way. Maybe I should start storing things in boxes, smaller ones? Because they're more achievable if they're smaller like that. Ooh, a stepper. I need step stools all the time.
Well, no, she thinks it was just like the director's decision, and she was like, I'm like, he's always
Back the way we came. This one's very cool. I have painted bedroom wall growing up black, and one blue and one gray.
Griffin.
I don't even know where you check out. Do you just check out with like the grown-ups here? Did I lose track of the exit? I feel like I'm retracing my steps. Don't get lost in IKEA. Ooh, okay. More storage bins for kids. I like it. I like the playful life of kid stuff. Markers. I like it. Maybe a laundry bag makes sense. Paints. Aww. All these clothing racks, clothing hangers are really small for small shirt. Wait a second. $3.99. $1.99? What do you do with them? There's markers? Why are they so cheap? Wow. Is that a roll-up pencil case? Okay, I thought it was an apron. If only. Weird. What is this place? What is this? Ah, vegetables. That's adorable. Do they sell them one at a time? Organic vegetables. $3.49 a pound. Is that a joke? How does it work? Would I buy vegetables? Yeah. Well, I know. Oh, that's what the little the little calculator thing is. It's for your vegetable market. Oh man, these are so cute. $2. Oh my god. Well, how do you pass up something that's only $2? Ugh, you don't need it. Someone has made you crocheted ones. You don't need it. What if you don't buy anything except that $20 lunch you just bought? Finger puppets. Back to the whale with the mouth you can put stuff in, which is weird. Wow, that was just like bedrooms. Oh my god. You have to have endurance to go here. Oh, you could paint your stool. That's cute. Oh. I know this is okay. Marketplace. What? Alright. Alright, colors. Alright, let's look at the $5 or less. I love a section like this because you never know. You never know. They sell everything here. Trampa. Doormat. Okay. It's all plastic. That's cute. Can I draw on it? Huh. Alright. A lot of weird stuff. I guess you might need these for like a bunch of jack-o'-lanterns. Like, sure, you want to bring your own water to the bedroom? How much is it? Sure, buy a plate. Ooh. What is the deal? Wow. Ooh, scissors. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. That sounds good. Come on. Aw, I can't even try the snip feel. That's wrong, but I'm buying them. I'll just dangle it from my hand. Cool. Ooh. Black plastic is bad though. Hopefully that one's not bad. like these. My whisk was sitting in water, so the wood got icky. And this handle's a little short, but it's still cute. Dang it. Maybe. It sucks when you buy something nice and then it's wood and someone puts it in the dish in the sink and it just rots there and then it gets moldy. And you have to throw it away. Mold, bad for you. My sink came with a cutting board like that sits on half of it, and that also got a little black moldy on it. Sad. A lot of fun steaming stuff. Boiling. The sad thing is that like plastic cutting boards are bad for you too. Now that we know. That's why it's only $3.49. Ugh, plastic. Because everything you cut on there is getting plastic in your food. It's really sad. I love a jar with a lid. I love jars. Bread box. Those are cute, like Winnie the Pooh. More jars. Oh, so cute. How do I not get a jar? I really want a jar with a spigot for my fridge, so I could make like tea when the fridge gets cold. Cookies? Bakery. Oh, wait a second. Plastic. Ooh, it's soft. We're trying to find a bantam to raise bread in. I put it on my Christmas list so many times. Ooh, small plate. So cute. Side plate. They really get you 79 cents. I could buy lots of things for 79 cents.
Attention IKEA visitors. Will Christian Argueta please contact the store operator? Once again, will Christian Argueta please contact the store operator? Thank you.
What? This mug is $1? That's adorable. Why do they do this to us? How much are they normally? $2? Turquoise. What the hell? Why do they sell things for $1? It's mean. It makes me want to buy everything. Oh, a glass one. Lame. I don't like a mug that's shallower on the bottom. What? It's everything $1.
Start your weekend with a delicious breakfast in our Swedish restaurant. IKEA family members get 50% off a small breakfast plate every Saturday.
Comienza tu fin de semana con un delicioso desayuno en nuestro restaurante sueco. Los miembros de IKEA Family obtienen un 50% de descuento en un plato pequeño de desayuno todos los sábados.
I have no idea where I am now. Hopefully I find an exit. Did I walk through this area before? I doubt it. Is there fancy towels? Blankies? Yeah. Oh my god, there's so many things to look at. Wow. To think people knew about this place this whole time. What? A vending machine? How desperate can you get? Swedish snacks. I guess you spent a long time here. So cute. Oh, I found the lamps. Wow. Every section is its own room. I'm almost tired. This is exhausting. Oh, that's what those are. My god, I just heard the song, You Belong to Me. Oh my god, possessive. Yeah. I have no money for lamps. Alright, find the exit. Find the exit. Alright, you are lost. Shortcut to bed, textiles, rugs. Did I see rugs? Lint rollers. Tempting. Okay. How to get back. Alright, Felix in containers, I like it. Ooh, $2.99. I love organizational things, and yet I don't have enough of them at all. Ooh, I bought things like this, but like Home Depot. For some reason, things just don't stay in it, in the little holes. Like every time I pull up and out of something, the hook stays in it. Oh no, it comes out. Maybe they've done a better job. Ooh.
Oh, it's a rock. It looks like they make good cushions. They're already strap. What is it?
I found the rugs by accident. Is this real? Maybe. Possibly. Off-white rug. How come it doesn't say? Man, I have a hard time reading labels. Alright, found the restroom. More rugs. I have a rug in my car that I'm very excited to set up. The thing is, I have to move everything, and get rid of stuff just to set it up. Of course, this rug's one of the things. Okay, I see something fuzzy. I must investigate. Ew. Ew. No. Ah, cringe. Icky. It's like a synthetic fabric. Curtains. My cat would climb those. Nothing is sacred anymore. There's so many things my cat has just ruined. So sad. I can see how you get lost here. Every room is just connected to another room. Like, have I been in the cushions before? I don't know. Wow. This is crazy. Bath mat. $2. What? My cat has peed on a bath mat. It's so sad. Nothing is nice.
Join us on Tuesday.
It's very thin. That's why.
Members can get any adult hot entree in our Swedish restaurant for 50% off.
Sweetest restaurant.
May vary by store.
If you had all the money in the world, what would you buy at IKEA? That's cute. Would it be defiled? Yeah, my cat would tip it. Okay, I've been here before. Let's go this way. Okay, there's that vending machine again. Alright, lamps. Okay, continue shopping. 18 to 27. Marketplace. I should be this way then, I guess. I just was that way. Straight.
Oh wait, no, this is test test, not black.
Showroom. Hopefully that's where I'm going.
Yeah. No, but this one, this one with the white and the black, the white is common.
Okay.
It's cute. It's very like.
Those are the restrooms. Saw that before. Okay, we're lost. There's that cringy rug again.
I was doing tricks on it.
Okay, going home. What are these to help you with? I don't want to continue shopping. Okay, gone in a circle. Cushions. Okay, shortcut. This, I guess it's this way to exit. Yep. Welcome to being lost. I guess I'll use the arrows.
She brought out like 6 giant Tupperware bins. I was like, oh sweet. She's like, oh no, I'm so excited.
Where do I go? Okay, this is fucking me up. Shortcut. Okay, cafe. They really trap you in here. There's the scissors. Okay. Which one do I want? I just want to go. I go back the way I came. Ah, the stairs. I found the stairs again. That was scary. Oh, they have 2 rails for the small people. Oh, finally. Never again. It's too much. They want you to get lost in there. Ah, the cafe. How exhausting. How do people deal with this?
Right out of the way, puppy.
Thank you. Okay, I'm still looking for the exit and checkout. This is stupid. This is so annoying. It just keeps pointing in different directions. I just want to buy $79 scissors. Do you have to walk the entire store? This is stupid. Fuck this. Alright, I'm leaving IKEA. Walked around, got very lost. Couldn't find where to check out some scissors for 79 cents. So I left them and I left. It's so confusing. Why do they make it so difficult? Why can't there be different places to check out and exit so you don't have to just walk through the entire store? That is so overwhelming for like a neurodivergent person. Super confusing. Very overwhelming. Like, maybe I'll come back for Swedish pancakes. No, Swedish meatballs. The only thing I ever say Swedish is pancakes usually. Swedish meatballs. But maybe not. Because that was really difficult. I'm definitely obsessed about how dry my lips are, so it's extra red now. Great. Alright, that was difficult. Wherever the exit is, I don't know, because I wasn't willing to try to find it, because maps are hard and getting lost is easy. So, that was my attempt for going in IKEA unsupervised. That sucked.